Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to screenshot the full web page of a website at a time by adding Nimbus Capture to the browser extension. Step 1. Go to your browser extension and search for Nimbus Capture. Step 2. Select it and then add it to your extension. It has been installed. Step 3. Go to the web page that you wish to capture. I'm going to be capturing YouTube for this tutorial. Now I want to capture the full web page. All I need to do is to click on the Nimbus icon and select entire page. It actually has some other feature of capturing, you can check them out. Now the web page is currently capturing. Once it is done capturing, it'll bring you to this page where you can edit it, if you wish to, before saving it to your files. To save it to your files, click on the Save Screenshot. Let's take a look at it once again. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.